What's up, SV Squad? Welcome back. Welcome back.
Welcome back to
so it's a Friday and we just finished work, giddy work, and we are going to get me brows done and get a pedicure and get some bubble tea because I love bubble tea. And today I'm actually okay, so we went today after work. Also went and cut his hair, and then we went and looked at some tires. We're picking them up tomorrow. And Aussie so me mix, come on me mix.
Because you know me, I'm a style person.
A style person?
Yeah.
What are you doing being a style person?
I like style, man. Style. Because the never pie and pie, you tire, life.
Look at Aussie's washing over there.
You better be close to the door. Because I know you guys have a lot of clothes.
So we're waking up early because we had plans to go to Griffith tomorrow, but we're not sure anymore because we got these appointment tomorrow to install the tires. They're like these big jumbo ones. It was so...
We going. We.
Anyways, I said to Aussie, well, I get to buy something expensive for myself at the equivalent price. You're such an idiot.
New haircut. Is that right into the right position or what?
Oh, dang. Okay. So we're on our way now. It's super early. Aussie got me up so early. Why did you get me up so early, Aussie? Stop, you're making me annoyed.
Hi.
Okay, so we're going to pick up... Oh, I didn't bring my rings.
Go get it.
But we're going to pick up the tires in Aussie's car, the ones that we purchased. I'll show you guys when we get there. And then we were meant to go to Griffith today with my parents, but we're gonna go next weekend because we have a lot to do. And it's also my baby cousin's birthday.
Oh.
So
Oh.
June, they're having a party.
Are you inviting?
Yeah, we are all invited. Well, I don't know if we're invited, but I'm invited myself. And yeah, and then I actually want to go and do some pampering for myself because, you know, it's been a long time. I look really tired. I'm so tired, okay? So tired. And that's the plan today. So
you see the performance?
The performance.
The high performance.
Yeah, the
right
high
now.
performance.
I'm not gonna ride it back here.
Can you tell them how much the high performance cost?
Don't worry about that. I'll fix it. I'll fix it for you.
Well, you gotta fix what? Fix everything.
I'll bring it back that Monday for you.
Yeah, you better bring it back. These tires are so expensive, but they actually had a sale, so they would have been like, I'm crying about how expensive they were now, and they're 50% off. So imagine paying double that. It's terrible. Absolutely terrible.
Frosty Canberra.
Canberra is so frosty. There's only one car here. Let's go somewhere else first. Get a coffee. It's not open yet. This is a cronut. I want Aussie to taste his first.
For me, I don't like the sweet things.
Oh, whatever. You said, give me a croissant.
I say...
No, you said, give me a croissant.
Custard croissant.
So it's a croissant with a donut.
Sweet.
Just bite it. Oh my gosh, I just want to slap your face. Show them the pastry. It does not even look that nice. Does that look
so nice?
Is it? Doesn't sound crunchy or anything.
No.
Ooh, it's filled. For 2 medium coffees and 2 of these cronuts, we paid $30. I told him not to come here. It looks so expensive. And we did. It's just like $28. I almost said, oh, no, it's okay. You can. Oh, we're just dropping in our car. We organised it with the man. He said to bring it in at 8:30. We already paid for everything.
Dạ, phải mấy đề đi ra ngay đúng mẫu ăn ngọt. Ở đây mẫu bạc uy để stock bạc uy ang mga awon. Ở đây mấy nghe ở đây phải ngồi với ngara đây đi. Ở đây phải ngồi với ngay chỉ có cầm mà mấy phải mê đấy xem nhá. Rồi change chơi
Le plan.
le plan. They like Swiss going a style. You see it, guys.
Actually, we wanted matte black tires, or I wanted matte black. Also, wanted the tinted bronze. And then he convinced us yesterday to go with the bronze because that's what they had in stock and they didn't have matte black. And so I was like, oh, okay, then fine, we'll just go with that one. And then we kept rock up and he's like, we don't have the bronze, we have the matte black. I don't know what that guy was talking about, and that guy's not here. And so now we've changed it back to the matte black. And hopefully it's the right size and everything. Aussie's car's taking so long. So we're gonna go for a walk. There's a Christian store, a Koorong, just down the road. So we're gonna go check that store out because I haven't been there for a while.
Dạ, nếu bộ mga phải tao lên sẽ phải cắm ạ. Thì cả solo mấy pha phôi ạ, solo mấy pha. Oh yeah, speak time. Ooh, sexy boy.
Oh,
Can't wait to ride with you.
They look so good.
They're all terrain.
Yeah.
So they're main roads, off road.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But I wanted to go the wider ones. I wanted to go the 285s.
Yeah.
But they would have come out too far. They would have been like out here. They would have been out too far.
Oh, okay.
I like it.
At least that way you can get your flares on it. And
Ah, that's nice, man.
Wow, wow, wow. Look at Aussie boy. Yee! Dang. Crazy. These look so crazy good. Guys, we just left Aussie Tires. Aussie's so happy. I'm, kind of happy. But they look so good. Honestly, they look crazy good. All right, guys. So I just got home about 2 hours later, or maybe 3. And guys, I got my nails done. This is the first time ever, maybe in 10 years, maybe more than that, that I have had like long fake nails. I usually always get shellac on my real ones. But I felt like a little bit of pampering, so I got matte colors. And also, I'm not really happy with this. The reason is, it looks so fake. Like, it just looks so fake to me. And what do you want, baby? Yeah. So, we're off to Junie's birthday now, guys. Junie's my little baby cousin. And that's my dad's brother's daughter.
What's up, people? It's your boy Georgie.
I haven't really done my hair yet, so don't worry about that.
Get it. Oh yeah. Oh, get it, Chrissy. Oh, get it, girl. Get it. Oh. We have to make this one hard. Take your hands out. If you have your hands in your pocket, you will be out. If you have your hands in your pocket, you will be out. I'll hold that down. Keep going. Come on. Do not put your hands in your pocket. Do not put your hands. Oh, yeah, girl. Get it? Oh, yeah. Yeah, girl. Oh. Come on, Chrissy. That's the one, girl. Yeah. Oh. Get it, girl.
And it's not freezing.
Hey. Go. Hey.
Guys, so we are about to wrap it up and end this vlog off. I was gonna have another excuse to not do comment of the day, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna choose comment of the day. I'm really struggling to pick one, so I'm just gonna pick one blindly. Okay, so who do we have? Hold on. So we have Telea and Serafina Tolua. Your parents are the cutest. You're truly blessed to still have them around. Miss Minds so much. Stay safe and blessed. Thank you so much to you guys for commenting. Really appreciate it. We send all of our love to you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, y'all. Already know the drill, and we'll see you guys next time. Yep, you guessed it. King Kong over here.